In this video, we will see how to highlight text in Google Docs like this. Let's get started. To highlight the text, first select the text you want to highlight, then go to the highlight option here and you will see various colors over here. You can select any one, but if you don't like the color, you can customize from here. Just click on plus icon and you will see different colors here. You can move the slider and select the shade of your choice. Once you are done, click OK and the text will be highlighted by the color you just selected. If you start typing here, the highlight will continue. To stop highlighting, click on the highlight color option and say none. Now when you type, the text will not be highlighted. If this video helped you, please subscribe and don't forget to press that bell notification icon. It takes only 1 second. Thank you.